Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup password managers using 1Password exports to secure vaults. Complete guide step by step. Open your 1Password application on your device. Log into your account using your master password. Navigate to the vault containing the items you want to backup. Click on the vault to select it. Locate the export option, typically found in the menu settings. Choose export from the drop-down menu. You may need to select the format for the export, such as CSV or 1PUX. Confirm your choice by clicking on the Export button. Select a secure location on your device to save the exported file. Take note of where you are saving this file for easy access later. Once the export is complete, open the designated folder. Verify that the exported file is present and accessible. Next, open your secure vault application or storage method. If you are using cloud storage, log into your account. Ensure that your vault is set to receive new files. Upload the exported 1Password file to your secure vault. If your vault requires encryption, apply it during the upload process. After the upload is complete, check the vault to confirm that the file is there. Consider organizing your backups by date or category for easy retrieval. Periodically repeat this process to keep your backup current. Always remember to maintain a strong master password for your vault. This will help protect your sensitive information across all platforms. After completing these steps, you will have a secure backup of your password manager. Protecting your credentials has never been easier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.